Like a Hellcat.
Alright guys, so we're back with another video. This time it's a 93 Toyota Camry. And we're going to see if we can get it going here. Just got this one for free. So we can see what we can do. It doesn't look too bad, especially for a free car. But it's got a running motor. That's the good part. So, it's got to do a lot of shit that I don't know exactly how to do on these cars. Because I'm not very tech savvy with the newer cars. So, work in progress. Yeah, those are for the seat. Just leave them. The gold ones are for the seat. Black one, like over here on the driver's side there, that's for the seat belt. So this one too? Yeah. And that one? Yeah, and there's 4 on this side. It's got all 4 bolts for the seat, so it makes it even better. Yeah, right. And now I gotta take out the cruise control, that's the biggest thing. But the car's not too bad. Let's see if I can switch this now I'm in. Oh, I can't switch it. So the next video, or part of this video you'll probably see is me shooting the inside of the car. Alright, so here's the inside of the car. Not too bad, it's almost all stripped out anyway, so. Just took the back window out forcefully. I love the fact that the computer's on the inside of the car, and that's like my biggest thing, because then I don't have to move it. But I'm just gonna leave all this crap in. So take you around. There's not any rust on this car at all. Like the bumper is the only bit of rust. And a little bit here where the antenna used to be. But, and where somebody scratched the car. But other than that, there's like no rust in the doors like my Imperial had. Or the floors like my Corolla has. So, it makes things a lot easier. It should be nice. I do have to fix the front bumper though, a little bit here. It's been crushed. The mountain has, so it comes up like that. I wish I still had the other piece to the bumper. That would be nice to have, but take this off. Take this off. Inner fender wells. Take those all out. This should pop out, but it's not wanting to, so I'll have to figure out what's wrong with that, why it won't come out. And then all these relays and shit.
Is this like a brace or something?
What brace? Where? No, that's for air. Goes up to the AC and comes back out underneath the seat.
I just didn't know because it was like right here.
No. It's plastic. Why would it be a brace?
Well, that part is. But this part.
No, that actually can probably come out. I haven't looked at it well enough, but it'll probably come out too. I know, I don't like that. I'll probably be bending that up. This piece here, this is what goes on the back end. It goes on this. Right here. And this piece.
Yeah.
And then that piece goes into the back of the ignition and turns when you turn the key. See, there's fucking bolts just fucking laying everywhere.
Oh. You got extra bolts.
This right here.
Yeah.
it'll be able to come out. I'll be able to move this. Well, yeah, because I'm going to have to sit here and as soon as I get it running, I'm going to have to start popping fuses.
Gotcha.
And whichever fuse doesn't make the car stop running can come out. That's the cool part about these front-wheel drive cars is you can just pop a fuse and just see if it runs or not.
Okay.
But up here,
We need to bring the tools down here.
yeah, I know, I need a fucking light down here.
I know.
I should have turned it around.
Do we have a light for that?
That's
That's a floodlight,
yes,
but it's not working right now.
which means it's burnt out, or it just doesn't like me. Hey, there's water in the radiator. Now, if anybody's got tips or tricks on how to build these things, yeah, you can definitely shoot me a message on here or on Facebook. I mean, comment down below. I would really, really like to know how to fucking build these and why isn't this coming out? No, right there.
What?
There's a bolt right there holding this in.
Oh, okay. That's why I said we need to bring the tools down here.
The sockets are up on this side of the garage,
Yeah.
out front. So yeah, and then I scored a nice fuel cell. So definitely see what we can do with this thing. So, ooh, get you close up. All right, guys, have a
like a Hellcat.